guys, Scarlett at Build Across here, and today I want to show you how I paint this Paint by Line Angel. I will be going in with the color Putty to base coat his face, and all the paint I use in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, and you can purchase the paint, brushes, and cutout that I'm using in this video all on buildacross.com. To base coat, I'm primarily using a number 12 flat, and I am going in now with cotton for my angel's wings. And I'm going to use chocolate for his hair. And then following that, I'll finish my base coating by going in with peacock for his outfit he's wearing. Once I'm done base coating, I'll begin to outline everything, and I'm going to do my outlining a little bit different in this video. So I will outline my wings in the color Savannah Mist using a number 4 round. And I'm going to outline my angel's outfit with the color Sea Glass using that same number 4 round. So this is kind of like an outline and a highlight in one. And now I'm going in with black to begin to fill in all the lines on my angel's face and also outline his hair. And then I'll complete the project by going back in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton and highlighting everything. And then that'll actually complete my project. So very simple and easy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.